Cold weather can bring greater chances of getting sick with the cold or catching the flu.
Fox 23's Alexa Mostrom spoke with a family physician about ways to stay healthy.
We all know this time of year is cold and flu season, but there is a reason this type of weather brings viruses.
A lot of the immune system's defenses in the nasal passageway count on there being some moisture in the air. So without that moisture, it does make you more susceptible to cold and flu viruses.
Dr. Emily Grew Nelson with Hillcrest Medical Center says with how high flu levels are in Oklahoma, more winter weather can be especially dangerous. It results in a lower immune system and it's easier for you to pick up viruses.
So what I usually see are viruses. So cold viruses, flu viruses, COVID. A lot of times will come in around this time of year. Strep is another one. And then this year we're also seeing a lot of pneumonia.
That's not all this weather can affect, though.
When your body is working to keep warm, it can also affect the way that your other body's defenses work. That includes your immune system. It can be harder on your cardiovascular system and your pulmonary system as well.
Cold, dry air can trigger asthma and negatively affect your heart health. People with asthma may start coughing or wheezing more, and Dr. Grew Nelson says they should have a plan in case it turns into an emergency.
So they'll want to make sure that they have any emergency medications that they may use on hand and make sure that they're ready for those potential complications.
There's a few things you can do to help boost your heart health and immune system. Stay warm, wear layers, and make sure you're eating and exercising correctly.
Don't go outside in this weather in shorts and a t-shirt and wet hair, because that's going to make your body do more work to keep you warm, and that's what we're trying to avoid here.
Dr. Grew Nelson says humidifiers can also help keep viruses away.
Specifically with the way that viruses travel in this drier air is, for some people, it can be helpful to have cool mist humidifiers in their bedrooms. That can help. It puts more moisture into the air.
Covering news that matters, I'm Alexa Mostrom, Fox 23 News.
Make sure you see a doctor if you think you have the flu, if you have a high fever or short of breath or having trouble eating and drinking like normal. Some offices are offering telehealth appointments so you don't have to go out in the snow and ice in person.